Tired of that annoying wind whistle every time you hit the road with your roof rack? The Rhino-Rack Wind Fairing is designed to cut through that noise, making your drives quieter and more enjoyable. It redirects air around your load and crossbars, so you can focus on the journey, not the roar of the wind. What makes this fairing stand out is its sleek design. It doesn't just block wind, it enhances the look of your vehicle and roof rack setup. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend trip or just running errands, it adds a clean, aerodynamic touch that complements your ride. Installation is a breeze thanks to its universal fit. The fairing attaches easily to crossbars from most major roof rack brands, fitting bars up to 3.5 inches wide. Plus, button head hex screws add an extra layer of security, helping to prevent theft and keep your fairing firmly in place. The Rhino-Rack Wind Fairing also comes with rubber pads that protect your crossbars from scratches during installation. This thoughtful detail means your roof rack stays in great shape while benefiting from reduced wind noise. It works with almost all elliptical and round bars, and if you have square bars like the Rhino-Rack Heavy Duty, an adapter is available. One user from the U.S. praised its durability and appearance, noting that it holds up well and looks great on the car. While the mounting system relies on plastic clips and screws, it's doing the job effectively so far. That kind of feedback shows this fairing is a solid choice for everyday use. If you're someone who values a quieter ride and a cleaner look, the Rhino-Rack Wind Fairing delivers on both. It's a practical upgrade that reduces wind noise without complicating your setup or damaging your roof rack bars. Worth a look if you're ready to improve your driving experience and protect your gear. This fairing balances function and style, so your vehicle stands out while staying quiet on the highway. Try the Rhino-Rack Wind Fairing when you're ready to cut the noise and add a sleek, secure accessory to your roof rack. It's a smart investment for anyone who spends time on the road with gear on top.